Then lesson number 2 is product. I'm talking about creating a new offering. This is kind of what most people think when I say creating a new offering or a product or service, is they think as creatives, they think that just like one service is enough. When I was shooting a lot of video, I thought that all I do is just video production. I make videos, that's it. And that's all I really have to provide. I just have to make a video. Client says I need a video, I make a video. That was it. Shoot, edit, that's all I do. Photographers act the same way. All I need to do is just do wedding photography. That's it. And I'm not saying to expand and say I need to do wedding photography, brand photography, fashion photography, and all this stuff. I'm saying you need to expand, like write down a list of everything that you can offer a client. Or say if it's just a wedding photographer, what can you offer a bride and groom to make their experience as memorable as possible and to like the most bang for the buck that you can provide. You can do photos, you can do prints, think about every single thing, like faster edits, slower edits, better edits, sizes, digital only, prints, engagement sessions, like write down, make a huge, big, fat master list of everything that you can offer somebody. Lesson, teaching, tutoring, coaching, workshops, motivation, everything. Even even do video production if you want to add that in there, and then start to kind of look at your master list, and you're probably only doing 1 or 2 of those things on that huge master list of services that you can offer. So I want you to kind of rethink everything. I want you to kind of look at everything that you have written down, and I want you to start to bundle and kind of rebundle these packages. It shouldn't just be, I'm a wedding photographer, so I'll just show up with a camera, shoot, send it in the Lightroom, and send you the prints. That's where it gets to be a commodity. That's where it gets to be you're very replaceable, and it's all just about the price. If you're able to provide a very unique experience, because you're able to bundle and repackage some of these services that you offer, and maybe each individual service that you can think of or that you write down in your master list is not necessarily unique, but how you bundle it together and how you package it and put it in front of a client, that's the unique part. That's what adds value. That's what says, I'm the only one doing this type of thing in this combination, and that's valuable, and that makes me different as a photographer. And this off season is the perfect time to think of everything, back up, and say, what can I be doing differently? If I'm just sitting here offering wedding photography, shooting and editing photos, and then printing prints or sending off digital files only, is that really different from anybody else? And then is that why I'm frustrated about pricing? Is that why I'm frustrated about not getting these good clients, or not my clients don't seem to be improving or getting better and better as I go off into the future? So this is the part. I love this lesson, to think about everything you're doing right now and tweak it a little bit, rebundle it, and always ask yourself, how can I make this better? I want you to really sit back. This is what I'm talking about, articulation and having that breathing where you're able to sit back and look at what it is you're doing and really be kind of judgmental about it and be kind of have a, not a cold read on it, but try to have as much of an outside perspective as possible and say, if this is the same, or if I am replaceable by every other photographer in this town or in this area or in the country, how can I make what I do better? How can I make my package, my bundle, my service offering that much better? And think about it.